Dear students, today we are discussing about the electric field due to two infinite plane parallel sheets of charge. Here there are two sheets of charge, parallel sheets of charge, and third one, this is fourth. Third one was one plane sheet of charge. There are two plane parallel sheets of charge. Then what will be the electric field? So you see, this is a sheet these two set. They say this is A, this is B. They are parallel to each other. Suppose its surface charge density is sigma A, its surface charge density is sigma B. So, divided into three parts, part 1, part 2, region 1, region 2, region 3. Now our aim is to find electric field at point region 1, region 2, region 3. Clear? So, and in this case we have taken electric field towards right is positive, towards left is negative. Electric field in this direction, positive direction. Electric field towards positive direction is positive, that means right. Electric field towards right is taken as positive, towards left is taken as negative. Electric field towards right is positive, towards left is negative. Now at region 1, what will be the electric field? E1 equal to what we have got for sheet of charge, sigma by twice epsilon naught. So this is sigma A for this, sigma A by twice epsilon naught, but this is left side, so minus, and plus this, but this is also minus, so minus sigma B by twice epsilon naught. So 1 by minus 1 by twice epsilon naught common, twice epsilon naught common. So what we are getting? Sigma A plus sigma B. This is for region 1. Now in region 2, in region 1 in region 2 the electric field E2 for second part. For this part, for this plate positive, for this plate negative, because this is towards right and this is for this plate, it is left. So sigma A by twice epsilon naught minus sigma B by twice epsilon naught. So 1 by twice epsilon naught common, sigma A minus sigma B. And in region 3, electric field. What is the electric field? E3 equal to, this place is to the right and this is also right to this. So both, this place is right side to both the plate A and plate B. So this will be positive. Sigma A by twice epsilon naught plus sigma B by twice epsilon naught. So 1 by twice epsilon naught common now. Sigma A, sigma B. This is the electric field if two plane sheets placed parallel to each other. If two charge plane sheet placed parallel to each other, then the electric field in region 1 is this, electric field in region 2 is this, electric field in region 3 is this. Taking electric field towards right is positive, towards left is negative. Now if we consider its electric, this is positive and this is negative. Suppose this is the special case. If sigma A equal to sigma, that means positive, and sigma B equal to minus sigma, sigma B equal to minus sigma, means this is negative, this is positive, then what will happen? Then E1 equal to kota hobe? How much? E1, this is sigma minus sigma, 1 by twice epsilon naught, sigma minus sigma means 0. So here there will be no electric field. E2 ki hobe? This is 1 by twice epsilon naught, sigma minus of minus sigma. So 1 by twice epsilon naught into 2 sigma. So 2 cancel, sigma by epsilon naught. So here it will be, here electric field is 0, here it will be sigma by epsilon naught. If this is positive, this is negative. And E3 what will be? E3, I am writing here E3. Here you see 1 by twice epsilon naught E3. So this is E3 to this 3, this one, sigma minus sigma. So this is also 0. Here it will be 0. So if one is positive, other is negative, and surface charge density is same, then outside the two sheets there will be no electric field. Here is no electric field, here is no electric field. In between the sheets there is electric field. This is the sigma by epsilon naught. Sigma by epsilon naught. Clear? We have used the application third one, and two sheets we have taken parallel to each other. So we are getting 3 regions, region 1, region 2, region 3, and we have also taken positive direction means right side, negative direction, negative means left side. And so this is negative for both the plate, so both are negative. And this place is positive for this, and this is for negative, because this is right side, this is left side. So, and this place is positive for this and this also, because this is right side of this and this. We have get this. And then special case is suppose this is sigma and this is equal to minus sigma. This is equal to minus sigma. Then what we are getting? E1 0, E2 sigma by epsilon naught, E3 0. So what we can conclude? If we place two plane sheets of charges parallel to each other, if we place two plane sheets of charge parallel to each other, then and one is positive, other is negative, having the same surface charge density, then outside the two sets there will be no electric field. In between the two sets there will be the electric field, which will be sigma by epsilon r. Clear? Okay, bye.